Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfect fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, assistant teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Golam Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss the exercise of the poem Don't Throw the Seeds Away. Students, firstly I will remind you once again that in the previous video lecture we have read this poem. I hope you have enjoyed and recite this poem at your home. So now let's start our class with the exercise of this poem. Firstly, you will mention CW and also the date of today. After that, you will fill your book. So first question is, fill in the blanks to complete the flow chart. Student, this is a flow chart and you have to complete the blanks. First one is, have a fruit. This flow chart is related how to grow a plant. Okay, firstly we will take a fruit, have a fruit, then keep its seed. After that we will keep the seed from the fruit, then plant the blank in the soil. So plant the seed in the soil. First blank is seed, second blank is soil. In time it will grow, pour a little blank over it. So pour a little water over it. Soon a blank will appear. Soon a shoot will appear. In time it will grow into a blank big tree. Firstly we will take a fruit. After that we will keep the seed from the fruit. Okay, after that we will plant the seed in the soil, and after planting the seed we will pour a little water over it. Okay, after that after few days you can see a shoot means young plant. Okay, young plant will appear, and after few years it will grow into a big tree. Now let's move to question number B, that is true or false. First is, apples and orange give us energy. Yes, this is true. Apple and orange give you energy. This is true. Guava and papayas are unhealthy. Student, this is false. Okay, guava and papaya are healthy fruits. We also read it in the poem. Guava and papayas are healthy foods. So unhealthy is given, so that's why it is false sentence. Now third is, children cannot help to plant trees. No, this is false. Planting trees will make our earth clean and green. Yes, this is true. By planting trees we can make our earth clean and also green. Fifth one is, we should eat the seeds and throw away the fruit. Oh my God, it's false. We should eat the seeds. How can we eat the seed? Okay, and how can we throw away the fruit? Fruit is very valuable. Okay, it gives us energy and also keep us healthy. So we should not throw the fruit. So this is a wrong sentence. So we will write here false. Now let's move to exercise number C. Write the group names for these words. Use words from the box. In the box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 words are given, which are furniture, flowers, vegetables, fruits and vehicles. Okay, these words are given in the box, and also some words are given in the question 1 to 5th. So you will write these words according to the given question. First is rose, lily, daisy and lotus. These are, students, can you imagine? Rose, lily, daisy, lotus, these are flowers. Okay, second is bus, cycle, ship, train. These are vehicles. Sofa, table, bed, cupboard. These are furniture. Mango, banana, pineapple, cherry. These are fruits. Potato, onion, carrot, cabbage. These are vegetables. Now let's move to question number D. Question number D is, make 3 smaller words from each of these words. Students, first word is given healthy, second is appear, third is forest, and fourth is remember. And you have to make 3 smaller words from the given words. So first is health. Healthy is given. So first word is health, second is heal, third is eat. Second word is given appear. So we will make 3 smaller words. First one is app, second is pear, third is ear. Now third is forest. First word is for, second is rest, and last one is toe. Next word is remember. So first word is member, second is amber, and third is bee. Now move to grammar fun. The words a and an are called articles. Which are articles? A and an are called articles. A and an are used before singular nouns. A and an are used before singular nouns, and a is used with words that begin with a consonant or consonant sound. ओके, अ वर्ड वहाँ पे यूज़ किया, और लेटर वहाँ पे यूज़ किया जाता है जहाँ पे जिन वर्ड से हमें कॉन्सोनेंट या फिर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड का पता चलता है. ओके, अगर कॉन्सोनेंट है या कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड आ रही हो, देन वी विल यूज़ अ. फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज ट्री. टी इज़ अ कॉन्सोनेंट, सो वी विल राइट अ ट्री. G is consonant, so we will write here a guava. Seed, S is consonant, so we will write a. University. Students, this is consonant sound. According to the sound, university. Okay, university है, so we will use a. No, we will not use an. Okay. An is used before words that begin with vowel, या vowel से start हो या फिर vowel sound आ रही हो. Okay. So example are apple. A is a vowel, so an. Orange is a O is a vowel, so an. R. Students, we will not pronunciate H. Okay, we will pronunciate it as R. So we will use here an. So in the word R, the letter H is silent and the word begin with the vowel sound A. So that's why there is an is used. Okay, now let's move to the exercise. Fill in the blanks with a or an. First one is orange is blank fruit as well as blank color. Students, you can see F is consonant, so we will use here a. C is consonant, so we will use here a. Second question, 60 minutes makes a blank hour while 24 hours make blank day. Students, in the above example we have seen, okay, there is an is used. Okay, H is silent. Okay, so that's why we will use here an. And D is a consonant, so we will use a. My mother would like to learn blank new language. N is consonant, so we will use a. Will you read me blank story? So S is consonant, so we will use a. Miss Sen is blank American citizen. A is vowel, so we will use here an. I have blank aunt who lives in blank old house in Patna. An. A is vowel, so we will use here an. Second old, O is vowel, so we will use an here. So that's it for today, students. Now we will revise this exercise. Have a fruit, keep its seed, plant the seed in the soil, pour a little water over it. Soon a shoot will appear. In time it will grow into a big tree. True, false? Apple and orange give you energy? True. Guava and papayas are unhealthy? False. Children cannot help to plant trees? False. Planting trees will make our earth clean and green? True. We should eat the seeds and throw away the fruit? False. Write the group names for these words. Use the words from the box. So rose, lily, daisy and lotus are flowers. Bus, cycle, ship, train are vehicles. Sofa, table, bed, covers are furniture. Mango, banana, pineapple, cherries, fruits. Potato, onion, carrot, cabbage are vegetables. So make 3 similar words from each of these words. Healthy, first word is health, second is heal, third is eat. From appear, 3 words are app, peer, ear. From forest, 3 words are for, rest, toe. From remember, 3 words are member, amber and bee. Move to question number E. Orange is a fruit as well as a color. 60 minutes make an hour while 24 hours make a day. My mother would like to learn a new language. Will you read me a story? Miss Sen is an American citizen. I have an aunt who lives in an old house in Patna. So that's it for today, students. You will write exercise number A, B, C and D in your fair copy. Okay. So goodbye everyone.